Well, the bond between humans and pets is a powerful one, and experts across all disciplines agree having a furry companion is pretty good for your health.
Yeah, it's called the pet effect, and the pandemic has proved that this bond is more important than ever. Veterinarian Dr. Bob Lester is the Chief Medical Officer for WellHaven Pet Health, and he's going to join us live now. Good morning.
Good morning, Emily and Travis. Happy Wednesday. Good to see you.
Happy Wednesday. Great to see you as well. So what is the pet effect, and why is it as important as it is right now?
Great question. So typically on this segment, we talk about how we can keep our pets healthier and happier. But today I thought we'd flip the table and talk about how pets actually keep you and I, the two-legged animals, healthier. The pet effect is that mutually beneficial relationship that benefits both human health as well as pet health. I think as pet parents, you kind of intuitively understand that, but there's more and more evidence that pets really do increase our physical health, our mental health, at all stages of our life.
Oh, absolutely. I mean, having become a pet owner during the pandemic, I will say it's been very nice to have a furry companion around a lot of times. So what are some of the ways that pets can really help with our mental health too?
Yeah, I think you can look at different stages of our lives and point to different ways that the pet effect impacts us as humans. Our children that grow up with pets, more responsibility, empathy, fewer allergies, they exercise more. As adults, we have lower blood pressure as pet parents, are less likely to be obese, our well-being is improved. In the elderly, it's so important, that relationship, the purpose, the increased exercise, that unconditional love. As you pointed out earlier, during COVID, I think this was really highlighted, that connection and purpose that comes from having that fur baby in our home has never been more important.
I mean, the feeling when you walk in the door and your dog is there just so excited to see you every single day. I mean, you can't replace
It's hard to
that.
beat, yeah.
Speaking
It
about,
is.
oh, sorry, go ahead.
No, I completely agree, Travis. It's magic. That doesn't matter who you are, what you've done, that pet loves you for everything you are every day. Their whole day is waiting for you to come home to share that bond.
Oh, that makes me want to
I was
like
about to say,
run
that makes
home
it so
and
hard to
go
leave
get the
sometimes, too.
Samwise. I feel so guilty.
You got to be able to work from home sometimes so you can hang out with the pup a little bit more. Speaking on the physical health side too, you talked about it a little bit. Is that really in terms of being able to, you got to take your dog for a walk, and that means that you're walking too, not just the dog. Are there any other benefits to that?
Oh, from Alzheimer's to autism to PTSD, there's more and more evidence that shows that a pet will really help with all of those conditions and others. In fact, there's a really cute commercial you can Google up that talks about the pet effect, where the prescription is take 2 pets and call me in the morning. Those pets will do so much for our health as humans. It's remarkable. In fact, 97% of physicians now report health benefits to having a pet.
Wow. And I guess we should mention not just dogs, cats too. They might not be getting you out for a walk quite as much, but some of the benefits there with blood pressure, with cognitive ability, with loneliness, all of that. It's so important. So if you're thinking about adding a pet to your life, what are some of the things that you should consider to make sure that that it's a pet effect that is going to work in your lifestyle?
Yeah, great question, Emily. And it is something you want to spend some time on and consult with a veterinary or animal health professional. Think about, do you want a puppy or kitten, or do you want an adult pet? Think about the size of the pet. Think about some of the characteristics of the breed you might be looking at. So it's really important to connect what you and your family needs with the proper type of pet. So always good idea to consult with your veterinary or animal health professional.
Yep, great advice. Dr. Bob Lester with WellHaven Pet Health, thank you so much for talking about the pet effect with us. I know that everybody's at least experienced it one way or another. It's a very real thing. It's fun to put a name to it and talk about it.
It is. It's magic. That's a good name for it.
All right. Thank you. Appreciate your time. Take care.
Thank you.
All right. WellHaven has several clinics across our region, of course. So if you're a new pet owner in need of a little bit of advice or looking to schedule a checkup, you can go to wellhaven.com.